Hi guys, welcome to Shogo's. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to cook omurice, which is short for omelette and rice, and it's very Japanese, kind of traditional home cooking meal, and it's something that we can cook at home very easily, and it's not something that you go to the fancy restaurant or anything. So you guys can cook whenever you have time, whenever you have the ingredients. So let's get started. So what we use today is onions, eggs, spam meat. Well, I picked spam meat, but it doesn't have to be spam meat or any one specific meat. It can be any pork, bacon, anything will do. We get rice, we get ketchup, and salt and pepper. So we are gonna start by slicing onions. Slicing the onions. Chop the head off, and all the stuff right here that we don't need. And you can put all these. Alright, we got all this out of onions, and alright, we're gonna start slicing. Next, we're gonna get the eggs done. I've got 4 eggs for 1 serve. It doesn't have to be 4, it could be 3, 5, but if it's too less or too little, the egg doesn't get fluffy. So I think the 4 for 1 serve would be ideal. So yeah. Alright, all good. Now we're gonna slice the spam. Now you cut it like this big so that you can feel the texture of, you know, the spam. It could be smaller if you want. It just say I want the texture of the spam, so I can leave it a little big. Yeah, it can be a lot smaller if you want. I think the one you get from the restaurant, the meat is a lot smaller, but you know, like I said, I just want the texture of it. So yeah, this is all ready. Now we get onions, spam, egg, and the cooked rice all ready. So we are gonna start cooking. Alright, so we're gonna start cooking. So turn the heat on, and like medium or high heat would be great. Put some olive oil, a little more, and let it heat up a little bit, and you're gonna see some smoke coming up. When you start seeing the smoke coming up, yeah, I think it's about time. Right before, it doesn't have to be perfect. So put all the spam meat. And cook it a little bit, like a minute or a little more. And when you see the meat little getting brown, you're gonna put some onions. All the onions right here. And now, this is a little key. Whenever you put onion, you put salt, and it gives a extra flavor and get a good taste of onion. Yeah, it's smelling really good. And you stir fry until the onion turns brown. You know, that's when the onion is ready. Yeah, a little more. And when onions get brown, you put the ketchup right here. Just keep stirring. That way it doesn't get burned. Yeah, a little more, a little more. Alright, so now all the onions get brown, nice and brown. So you make the kind of hole here and put the ketchup. A lot. And you can let the ketchup burn a little bit. And it gives the extra flavor as well. And from here, this is about the speed. Now it's really good. So put the rice here. All the rice right here. Alright, yeah. About the speed. ちょっとカットですね、この分は。Let's go the extra ketchup. It has to be very ketchupy. You know, when you don't feel the taste, will be sad. So it has to be kind of red. It's called a ketchup rice. This is the basic, you know, ingredient for the omurice. So the ketchup rice has to be perfect because egg doesn't have much taste. Of course it doesn't, not much. So this is the one it decides whether it's good or not when it comes to the omurice. Keep stirring it. Alright, I think it got ready. So serve it on the plate. Scoop it and put it here on the plate. Scoop it. Put it on the plate. You know, like I said, it's not a fancy food. It's a home cooking food, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Just like this. Alright. So now, next step is the eggs. This is the most important part. So heat up the pan around medium heat and put some olive oil and let it heat up a little bit. Alright, and from here, this is about the speed. You put an egg here. And start. That way it gets fluffy. Yeah, a little more, a little more. Yeah, this is a good timing. Now you go kind of like this from the edge and move it to the center like this, and from here you gotta turn it over, and this is good enough. And now you put this on the plate. Nice and beautiful. And when you cut it, inside is fluffy. Yeah. And you see all these fluffiness, and that's what people like. It's not beautiful, but this is good. Put some ketchup right here. Alright, and a little more just to color. Basil, and you feel the flavor, yep, and the color. Alright, so I have other videos about how to cook Japanese traditional home cooking meals, so you gotta check them out as well, and like this video and subscribe it, and I will see you on the next video. See ya.